Hi guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. Let's talk today about my Rose of Sharon hedge. I really like it, don't get me wrong. But I'd like to talk to you about few mistakes I made. So if you decide to create Rose of Sharon hedge of your own, you can avoid those mistakes. Of course, Marcus is here to help us with this.
I planted Rose of Sharon hedge a decade ago and it looks beautiful every summer. But first mistake I made was selection of varieties. It is best to choose uniform growers that suits your space and desired hedge height. As you can see, I planted varieties that grow very tall and upright, along with others that stay more compact. And you can see it in early spring before plants leaf out. Second mistake to avoid: planting too close or too far apart. Ideally 3-4 feet apart for a dense formal hedge and 4 to 6 feet apart for a looser natural screen. Here I have a gap in my hedge as one of the transplants didn't make it, and I added a hardy hibiscus to create some bright spot. Mistake number 3: ignoring pruning. When planting, prune back the main stem to encourage branching and bushes shape. As without pruning, plants can get tall, leggy, and less dense, while annual pruning encourages branching and fuller shape. And fourth mistake is letting it self-seed freely. Rose of Sharon can be invasive in some areas. Seedlings can spread aggressively if not controlled, and you can end up with a million seedlings in your lawn. To avoid that, consider sterile or low-seed varieties or prune in the fall to remove seed pods before they open. Rose of Sharon blooms on new wood and it wouldn't affect its blooming next season. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please like and subscribe. Happy gardening!